try to have a look. So welcome everybody to LNP Renewable System Integrators. So now um, uh, for all the EPC contractors or for all the EPC players and the people who are on the solar industry, they will have a dream to increase their solar business. Okay, so now let's talk about how to increase the solar sales business. So there are two important parts of the solar process. One is lead generation. Second thing, managing the solar sales funnel, because lead generation is very important, and managing the solar sales funnel is one more important task. These are the two important tasks of sales process. So now let's consider this as a funnel. Okay, the funnel has four different important components. One is awareness, interest, considerations, and the sales. So this is one of the typical solar sales funnel. So now let's get into the awareness. So what is the awareness that you're going to provide to the customer as a sales engineers, as a sales team? What is the awareness they have to provide to the customer in order to generate the lead? So these are four important stages. One is awareness, interest, consideration, and the sales. So let's get into the awareness. So the most basic details should be given. So that is the awareness that you're going to provide for the customer. Second thing is that interest. So you want to know, so once you provide awareness, okay, about your system, about your features of the solar that you're going to provide, next we have to get into whether they are interested or not, because if they are only keen on interesting directly into the benefits, then it is better not to talk to them. If he has any issue, if he has any problem, and he is very much interested to find a solution through the system that you have, then you can approach him and you can elaborate the things in detail to him. This is how you can tap out the interest. Okay, so if he has a value of the solar energy, okay, then you can ask him to get into your websites, okay, and ask for quotations. So this is the most important interested stage in the funnel, okay, because business doesn't runs on the prices, it runs on values that you're going to create. Next is, there are foremost questions. So once you gave a proposal, when you want to provide a proposal, whether he consider it, because consideration is the most important stage which is happening after the actual sales is going to happen. Okay, so at all these stages, buyer is looking for different information about your offering. Okay, why I have to, so once he is aware, okay, and once he has any demand, okay, once he is interested, okay, he will ask questions to himself why he has to consider your offer. Okay, so before buying your product, he will consider, okay, what are the different informations about your offerings that you have to provide. Okay, this is going to determine directly, okay, the buyer's perspective. And this is how he is going to understand and perceive your offerings. Okay, so for that we can have four stages. One is fresh leads, you can have from the marketing and from the website, and all most basic information that should be there in the solar sales, that site survey, okay, and they will ask about the payback period. Okay, once these details you have, you can have send the proposals. Okay, so once you send a proposal, you should resolve the objections and it should build a relationship. That is how you have to send a proposal. At last, once the order is received, close the deal and hand over the project to the project team. So these are the four important things. One is fresh lead from the marketing and the website. Okay, so by sending the marketing material to him, you're going to generate the fresh leads. Okay, and second most important thing is that what is the payback period they will ask, and the most important thing, you have to analyze the site survey is most important thing, because once the sales team analyze the sites, they are going to give that to the technical team. They are going to get the information from the technical team to provide the proposals, and next stage is the proposal sending. So once you send the proposal, it should resolve the application and you should build a relationship. Okay. And the last most stage is the order receipt. So once order is received, close the deal, hand over the project team. So your final solar sales, okay, is directly proportional to how many leads you pulled in your sales funnel and how efficiently you have converted those leads. That is important. Lead generation is not at all important. I will never say it is not at all important. It is important, but still, how many leads that has been generated you have converted into sales is foremost important thing. Okay. So in other words, you can say, so you can increase your sales either by investing more in the marketing and the lead generation or by improving the conversion rate of those leads with a most effective sales process. So how to increase the solar sales? There are many methods. One is the email marketing. This is one of the old method. People might say, will it useful? For sure, we can do it. Yes, of course. It is most one of the valuable, very effective method for B2B leads. Okay, you can use cold email marketing to reach more people and get better responses for your business email campaigns. Yellow pages on the business list. For example, the portals or the websites like IndiaMart and JustDale, you can register. Okay, you can maintain your presence there in those platforms. You can even maintain your presence in the Google Maps and Google My. Okay, and always keep your websites updated with the photos, testimonials, contact details. It is very much important. Okay. The third factor is target through the Google Ads. You can provide a Google Ads. Okay, if somebody is getting into the solar related websites, there you can provide your ads. Next is social media channels. So there are so many channels, and most important thing is that LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebooks. LinkedIn is an excellent channel for B2B lead generations. Facebook will allows you to target the customers with your area with a specific interest related to the solar PV. Okay, and our most important thing, we are nowadays, since everything is getting into online, doesn't mean that we should not go for offline generation. Offline, so don't ignore the offline lead generations. Okay, um, likewise, you can attend the trade shows. You can have a partnership with the local contractors, so that we can generate the leads through offline as well. So, what are the tips that is required to convert um, the leads into business? First is that screen your leads carefully. How? Because there are when you're trying to provide a proposal, there are so many things involved in solar business. On a site survey, then you have to do the preliminary engineering, then you have to go for the commercial discussions, and then it takes a lot of time. Okay, you're straining your valuable resource time. Okay, if a new lead is only interested in high level benefits of the solar PV, it is a big waste of time to perform the site survey and engineering design. Just give him an idea, just give them an awareness. But if he's really interested, pull them into the funnel and try to get the proposal, and you send the proposal and have a closed follow-up. Okay. And the second most thing is that don't delay the proposals. That is because always have a key performance indicators with your sales team. Okay, for the sales processes in order to minimize the time gap between the customer visit and the proposal submissions. Okay, always keep on sending some to-do list mails to your sales team to ensure the timely actions. So whether if they made a visit on this particular date, within this date they have to send the proposals. So always don't delay the proposals. And the third most important factor is always use a site survey app, because if somebody is doing a site survey, say for example he's doing a site survey on Saturday, okay, Sunday is a week off, okay, um, so proposals get delayed because of the communication gaps, because he might surveyed something on Friday and he forgot that, and he's going to take a week offs on Saturdays and Sundays. He forgot to send the details. So he's going to going for a week off, Okay, and he forgets to send the details, survey details to the engineering team, subsequent engineering team. And if he's coming to the Monday and he has some other plan, he went off, means then there is a gap, there is a delay happened, a communication delay happened. So in order to minimize that, always try to have a site survey apps directly connect to the engineering and sales team. Basically, it should come with the mobile, or you can create a group, okay, to send the informations to the engineering team, so that they can provide the basic measurement details, so that engineering team will provide design and will provide a proposal, so that it's easy. Next most important thing is that educational materials, because when a sales team, you're recruiting the people for the sales team, so always use a well designed educational content to drive your leads deeper into the sales funnel. So at the marketing stage, give them the articles and the videos about the economic and the environmental benefits of the solar PV. If they are aware of the benefits and considering to buy, give them a detailed comparison sheet of the different panels inverters available with you. Your sales format should also be simple enough to understand, so you don't have to spend a lot of time in explaining them everything. Next, this is how the process and the tools which is going to be used in the solar. One is you're going to generate a lead and you're going to make a site survey. Using that, you're going to make a design and you're going to send your proposal. Okay, if you go for a CRM app, you can updates in the PCs or in the mobile apps as well, and you can have CAD tools, so that you can have a document management using the CRM softwares. So thank you so much. So to know more about uh, solar and solar power projects, design, installation, testing and commissioning, you can anytime contact LNP Renewable System Integrators.